Kusini gong logo yugalaga ko baru chigilisiet ko legi gimwa ko nyel sisita ogiliod Matthew Kyalo Mbobu ole ne tanna ko chigilisiet notana ngai moch ko suldan chigilinde notana ba sergali notan go Dr. Johansen Odora le moy go legi moch ko ipchugo tumda goroti kichanga ago ipchugo bet ine sabetam kayaror Odor go legi moch agana gi moch kinem risasi ni go inga en ngoni ne bategenyina legatas ko magole risasi ni galaglo ko gi moch ko jut portanin ago mangasta ne gidesa agobo kinetita negi moch ko suldain remission notana nitanna ko tetu notana ga moch ko suldaina yenginde notana ba sergali Johansson Odor ak chigilindet agenge negi moch ko cheng familia notana ba Mbobu ole ga moch ko agobo ringite tetu notana senatana ba county ne ba Makueni Dan Manzo ole wonu tuchota ni gone ko igochin jechirindo afisa yake basige sieta ko line a chigilisiet ne ba chokineta agonam icheki gitinge anachigimuse kogitinge agremission notana gigimuch ke moak Mbobu komiten orit ne ba karini ne biki bunote bigi ole eneret notana ba magadi en ganaset ne ba Nairobi interrogata manakso golara wanitana saita managagenge ne ba koskali.
We found that Wakili was shot a total of 8 times and with most of the gunshot coming from the right side of the body. We were able to recover 2 bullets, which have been given to the investigating officer for ballistic purposes. So he bled, there's a lot of bleeding because there was a injury to the neck vessels. There's also injury to the spine. So these injuries were severe enough to cause.
En kasaratan na intaga imuch ko mange minister in ministry na barip sitap kalete meturita kipchumba murkome na goborga imetap kaya kosipke agya utanatan baru misieta lega magolego ke na yalagin bi ke gibwatin gele gitinge agle lutanatana ago ya mis ko legi bendi ge finite ga po tega ga chigili set nenena kore tagenge na bagonyor imanda familia.
I feel very sad, by the way, about that incident. And I am very interested in knowing what exactly happened in this situation, just like many Kenyans are, but also I am in a position of responsibility. And we have been in touch with the DCI since this issue has happened. And I am happy to note that there is some progress that has been made. Some persons of interest have been identified, that those persons of interest are being interrogated, and many others are going to be sought. I pray that the DCI is going to be successful. We thank the eyewitnesses who have already come out, who are in the scene, and many other Kenyans of goodwill who are giving information to the DCI. I encourage more Kenyans to come forward and assist in the process. Anybody who knew anything that is related to this very heinous act to come out, because it is in the interest of us in the security sector and the people of Kenya that the truth comes out and we get to know exactly what happened in this situation. And I am very optimistic that in a very short while we will have very good leads as far as this issue is concerned.